Alright, this is question 7. A 20 ml sample of unknown cobalt solution is titrated with 0.02 molar vanadium based on the following reaction, which is unbalanced. First question is, what is the molar concentration of the unknown cobalt solution? Actually, the titration volume is already given. It says here that the endpoint was observed after adding 40 ml of the titrant. So we have 3 given here already, 40 ml of the titrant, 0.02 molar of the titrant, and the volume of unknown cobalt. So first we have to balance the equation. If you look at the charges, cobalt 3 is reduced to cobalt 2, which involves 1 electron, and vanadium 2 is oxidized to vanadium 3. Actually, it's already balanced because 1 electron is involved from cobalt 3 to cobalt 2, and also 1 electron is involved from vanadium 2 to vanadium 3. So this is already balanced. That means you have 1:1:1:1 mole ratio for all the species involved in the reaction. So to answer the question, what is the molar concentration of the unknown cobalt solution? So your cobalt is actually 20.00 ml, and concentration is unknown. Your vanadium is 40 ml in the endpoint, and concentration is 0.020 molar. Because there's 1:1 mole ratio, you can actually do the calculation very quickly. So millimole vanadium 2 plus equals 40 times 0.02, 0.08 millimole vanadium 2 plus, which is exactly the same as millimole, because we have 1:1 mole ratio, cobalt 3 plus. So therefore the molarity of cobalt 3 plus is 0.080 divided by volume, which is 20 ml, 0.040 molar. Alright, so that is the answer.